So I was congratulating myself that I actually got the ProMister in pretty good, and we got it blocked, and you know, a pretty easy site. We pulled in and we can, you know, like pull out. And I'm just gonna swing around here. You can see that's Lake Superior in the back. And we are at Ontonagon City Park. It costs $22 to camp here. And they've got electricity and everything. Get it, Lucy. I know, right? A good girl. After a long driving day, we arrived at camp in time to watch the sunset over Lake Superior. After that beautiful sunset, I woke early and went to the beach to video the sunrise. There's just something about being next to this beautiful water that makes me feel welcome and a sense of belonging. We broke camp and headed for Lake of the Clouds. I wanted to be there when the sun was still low in the sky. A second ridge farther inland on the south side of Lake of the Clouds includes Summit Peak, the highest point in the mountains at 1,958 feet. So we're at the Porcupine Mountains today in Upper Peninsula, Michigan. First thing we're going to do is we're going to head into the visitor center, see what they have to offer, and then head up to Lake of the Clouds. There's some cool displays. Okay, cool. Okay, so after we go up to Lake of the Clouds, we're going to come back down and we're going to take this road and we're going to go see Nonesuch Mine. And then I think we're going over to let's see, I think it's this one. It's Peak Summit Road, and you can park up here, and there's supposed to be like a tower that you can climb. So that's the other thing that we're going to try and do today. Okay, so the cost to get into Porcupine Mountain State Park is $9 a day for non-residents or $32 for a season annual pass. We're gonna just be here for 2 days, so I got 2 single day passes and headed back to the van. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Porcupine Mountain Wilderness State Park is home to a 35,000-acre old-growth forest. The Porkies are home to the second largest stand of old-growth hardwood forest in the lower 48 states. In this 60,000-acre park, there is a trail skill for everyone. There's 90 miles of hiking trails and over 90 waterfalls. The Porcupine Mountains were named by the native Ojibwa people because their silhouette had the shape of a crouching porcupine. It's not uncommon to have 300 inches of snow in one winter,
but no official snowfall is recorded in the park. We had planned this trip to see the fall colors, and they were spectacular.
There's a sign at this one. It says Lake Superior Trail. Oh.
Yeah, I see it. Yep.
Lake Superior Trail went past Ontonagon Falls. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. I feel like we hit peak today. Somebody's running a drone.
The geology along this escarpment is basalt and conglomerate, and it's so beautiful. This walkway takes you back to the parking lot with some beautiful views of the valley and the Carp River. That orange stone. I found a little piece of it, and when I picked it up, the orange came off in my hand. There's looking away from the Porkies, or looking east. And look at those beautiful rocks on the beach. Gorgeous. And all the way down here is just so beautiful. Found some fun little rocks along Lake Superior. Rock hunting on Lake Superior. I'm in my happy place. The next morning, before heading to the Presque Isle River Loop path, we wanted to see the Lake of the Clouds one last time. We arrived just after sunrise
and the valley was alive with color and splendor. I'm so grateful to see this beautiful place at this special time.